A wildlife drone that arrives after the flames are obvious is already late. Hi, I'm Dr. Kamrul Islam. One of the most urgent UAV topics is wildfire response autonomy. In 2025 and 2026, AP reported on an AI-based drone system designed to speed up wildfire detection and monitoring, working with an earlier tree-mounted sensor network so the drone could autonomously fly to the suspected fire and deliver infrared and optical imagery to the firefighters. And this will you be publishing wildfire monitoring approach using a transformer based model tailored to the computational limits of drones. That is the key. That is the key change. Not just flying over fire, but building a response loop. For example, first we detect, go to verify, then go localize, inform, and monitor. This matters because wildfire response is race against minutes. My 2026 view, the best wildfire drones will not be the ones with the best camera alone. They will be the ones that can join an early warning system and shorten the time from suspension to action.